Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to display the records in the database. It's really very easy. So just sit back, relax, and follow along. First thing we want to do is, in our template, change the last menu item to display. And we can put display database or display fields, display table. So let's just do display table. Whatever you want to put. It's fine like that. So we need to create a new PHP file. So we're going to click on New, and we want a new document. We want a PHP. Make sure it says None, and boom. Now I already have one created, so I'm going to open it up, and this is the code that we need to have. So I have something on top of it that I just need to move, and there it is, finally. And so we have the code in here. And you just need to modify this over here, as I've done this in several different things in here. So this is what you're going to need in every single open statement, and then you're going to need to close the database. So we already went over this. It's basically the same in every one. So then there's a command called select. And you can do it with select star, but I chose to do it with naming all the fields. So basically, we're setting a variable to equal, and this is the command that we're going to use. Select, and this is the fields that we want from the database. This is my database for the players. Player ID, player last name, player first name, position, player throws, players bats from players. Now you could actually select from several different players or for several different tables just by naming them from players, and you would have the other one in here. So, but at that point in time, you would need to put in, if this was a players field, you would have to put players.playid, players.lastname, and then the other table name dot field name in there, so the select statement knows where it's coming from. Then this is just the command to get it over here, so it's checking to see how it did. So you can just use this over here. And then what we're doing is we're just reading the entire database that was displayed from the select statement, and we're just checking as long as we got one row, then we're going to display the data. And this is how you do it. You're setting row equals, and this is getting the actual thing. You can also use fetch array, different things, but this is just as easy. So basically, this is the result. This is the result over here. And then we're using the echo command. And this is just text. Echo ID is row play ID and name. And these are all things that you type in. And this displays it to the very end. If nothing happened, then you're just going to put there's 0 results. Then, of course, you're going to close the database. So that's really all there is to it. It's you can just take this code and you can modify it using your own field names. The next thing we need to do is, let's just make sure this is saved, which it is because there's no star. We're going to take the display table. We're going to click on the anchor tag, and we're going to make a link to it. And display tables, players here. Click on it, save the template, update all the files, and then we're good. That's it for this video. Hope you have a great day.